Alright y'all, so for today's look we're doing the highly requested soft glam. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's going to be a little bit different as I'm going to do a voiceover this time, but I'm doing a get ready with me soft glam tutorial. So this is still going to be part of the How To Tuesdays, it's just going to be a little bit tweaked. So if you're interested in seeing how this turned out, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I did was add my Complexion concealer to my eyelids just so the eyeshadow would stick a bit better, and I did blend that all the way around. Now I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette in this particular color right here and just blending it through the crease of my eyelids. Now I'm taking this brown color and also going over the crease again just to create some depth. And then blending that around and on the outside of what I first put on there. And now I'm going to take my angled eyeshadow brush and choose this deep red color and go over my crease again creating more depth, and then taking this fluffy brush and blending it out. Now I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer by MAC in the shade Soft Ochre with this flat tip eyeshadow brush and just move that along the lower parts of my lid where you see I'm coloring now. And then I'm taking this fluffy brush and setting it with some powder. I'm now going in with this shimmery color that's on the Jaclyn Hill palette still and just going over the middle part of my lid with that color. And then taking the angled brush again and going in with that brown color and touching up the outsides. And then blending it into my crease. Going back over with the shimmery color again, just touching up on top of that and then moving it into my inner corner. And here I'm just layering a bit more product on there just so it comes out a bit brighter. Now you see I'm grabbing the fluffy brush again and going back in with this deep red color to touch up the crease and just add more depth again. And then I'm taking this angled brush again and dipping back into this deeper brown color and then going back over my crease again. Now I'm taking my fluffy brush again and blending those three colors together. And then taking an empty fluffy brush and just blending those products out smoother, closer to my brow line. And here you see I'm going back over my lid again with that shimmery color just because I'm extra. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using my Benefit roller liner and just creating a sort of dramatic look. I've dragged out the tail a bit further than I usually do, just again for the more dramatic effect. Also, I'll make sure to link my eyeliner tutorial on top here just so you have it in case you're interested in learning how to do that. Now I'm taking this LA Colors eyeliner just to drag in the inner corner and create more of a fox-like effect. And here I'm doing the same thing to the outer lower line, but not dragging it all the way. I'm taking my Complexion concealer again and just sharpening up that line that I made earlier. And now I'm going back over my eyeliner again with the roller liner just to make it sharp on top of the concealer I just fixed up. And now priming my lashes with mascara before I add the falsies. Now for these falsies, I'm using the exact same ones I used in my how to do falsies tutorial, and I'll link that right on top. And now after you're done with the eye makeup, just gonna prime my face with this Smashbox primer. And then blending it in with a buffer brush. Here I'm taking my Esteé Lauder foundation in the shade Sandalwood and using that same buffer brush to apply it. As you can see, I don't like to use a whole lot of foundation because I will be using concealer after. I'm using my highlight shade concealer and going up under my eyes and just hitting up all those highlight spots that I usually do, at least when I'm applying a full face. Now I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution foundation stick in like the deepest shade they had at Ulta and using it as a contour stick. And just going up under my cheekbones and all the places I usually just add a bit depth. And after doing that, going back under with my highlight concealer and bringing out those contour lines. And now I'm taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray and setting my face before I blend it all back in with that buffer brush. Also spraying the brush to make sure it's wet while I'm blending it. And here I realized I missed some spots like my chin and my upper lip, so I just went back over again with that highlighter concealer and took the fluffy brush and put some of that Makeup Revolution foundation and treated it as a contour around my nose area. Again, spraying the brush and just blending that back in as well. And now I'm blending all of the contour and the highlight that I applied on my face. And then going in and kind of blending out with my fingers as well. Here I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion palette and using that deep color and going back over where I contoured, and I saw I kind of missed a spot when I was blending there. And then going in with this Ferria blush. It's kind of old, it was my mom's, so I'm not sure if that's even like still a thing, but I'll put it in the description box just in case. And yeah, I normally just put in the blush like in the spots where I kind of want to look more alive in my face, where I feel like it's a bit flat, so I'm just kind of blending it around in random areas. And now I'm just going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in that bronze color. And just hitting all those highlight spots again. My cheekbones, my nose, upper lip. And now I'm taking this smaller fan brush and just hitting those areas where I need a little bit more precision. like under my brow. And now I'm just setting my entire face. And now for the lips, I kind of wipe all the product or foundation that I have on it, and now I'm applying this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And now I'm taking this matte ColourPop lipstick in the color Embellished. I'm not sure if they still sell this, but it's like this deep brown color. I'm just applying that to my lips. Now I'm taking this cream color, I believe it was Ellery's line under ColourPop, and I'm just gonna go towards the center of my lips and kind of like drag it out a bit to create this more of an ombre effect. And I believe this is like a gloss, so it's definitely not matte. And here I'm just kind of analyzing like what color I might use next. And decided on this Madeline Lip Butter Gloss by NYX. And again, going towards the center of my bottom lip and just kind of blending that around. And now I'm going in with this NYX Suede pencil in the color Black. I'm not really sure what exact color it is, but I'll put it in the description box. But it's a black lip liner. And here I just wanted to make sure my face didn't look so flat, so I went right back in again with the black Radiance palette and the deep color and just kind of went around in the places where I felt like needed to be livened up a bit. And then set it again off camera. Alright y'all, that was it for this video. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed the video, you can leave me a nice thumbs up. And if you had any questions, any suggestions you want to see me do in the future, or just any nice comments you wanted to leave, you can leave that down below. And also do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Again, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.